Years ago, we started on a quest to find a vessel that performed like a dinghy, had the convenience of being trailerable, and had more comfort than a tent. After years of searching, we found it. TriOomph, Corsair F27, hull number 411. Since then, the adventures have been limitless. From our home waters in the Pacific Northwest to the sunny shores of Mexico and the Bahamas, we've explored beaches, islands, and even ski resorts. We've seen amazing wildlife, savored incredible seafood, weathered storms, and witnessed breathtaking sunsets. Through highs and lows, challenges, tears, and countless laughs, we've grown. And still we continue spending every moment we can aboard TriOomph. We're Jill and Francois, wind enthusiasts and adventure lovers, and this is our vessel, TriOomph Trimaran. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe to share our stories.